Namaskar. Many people are very conscious about the color of their teeth. Cream yellow or even light brown colored teeth make so many of us embarrassed. This embarrassment also makes you self conscious and lowers your self confidence. The color of your teeth should not have such a big problem. You can easily correct color of your teeth with these simple natural methods that I am going to tell you. First, use banana peel. Banana peel is a very natural remedy for discolored teeth. What you have to do is rub your teeth with the inside of the peel, the white part. Cover your entire teeth with this white secretion from the peel. Let it stay for at least for 5 minutes. Then gently brush your teeth with your toothbrush. This is very effective natural remedy. Will give you results within a night. Try it out and see for yourself. The next method to whiten your teeth is to brush with neem twig. All of you must have seen your grandparents using neem twig as a toothbrush. This is an excellent Indian technique for oral care. Neem is an antibacterial and antifungal and will do wonders for your overall oral hygiene. It will also whiten your teeth. What you have to do is take a small, young, fresh neem twig and gently chew on it for a few minutes. This will loosen the end of the twig and make it into a natural brush. Now rub your teeth all around with this. Within a few days of regular use, you will see a difference in the color of your teeth. Next is amla rinse. Amla is very good for your teeth, skin and bones because it has so much vitamin C. And amla rinse is very good way to naturally whiten your teeth. What you have to do is mix 1 tablespoon juice of amla in 1 cup of water and then fill it in your mouth. Rinse it. Rub it on your teeth for some time. Amla is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which will remove stains and strengthen your teeth. There is another traditional Indian ingredient that is clove oil, which you can use to whiten your teeth. Take a toothbrush, wet it with water, put a drop of clove oil on toothbrush and brush it gently throughout for 2 minutes. Do it regularly, at least for 21 days to see the result that your teeth are whitened. Next is orange peel bay leaf tooth powder. You can make yourself this natural orange peel bay leaf tooth powder. Dry orange peel and bay leaf in sunlight for a day. Then grind these two into a fine powder. Use this to brush your teeth every day. A combination of orange peel and bay leaf, that is tej patta, has natural whitening property which can really make your teeth sparkle. Try these simple natural Indian remedies to whiten your teeth. If something is making you less confident, then work on the solution for your problem. Don't let it make you play small. If the color of your teeth is affecting your confidence, don't worry. Simply use these natural remedies to whiten your teeth. Smile brightly. In life, it is the smile which will make you successful. In life, it is this self-confidence, self-worth that will make you living life with a great joy and great usefulness to the society. Do that and do good work. Namaskar.